Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying compatibility and preparing the phone. Check your model and One UI or Android version so you know why features may differ. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. This unlocks needed toggles. Make sure to permit APK installs only if you trust the source, because you are granting extra access. You're starting with system readiness and permissions. This avoids errors later and speeds installation of the dynamic island package or official alternative. Next, you install and configure the core app that creates the dynamic island effect. Choose Play Store apps when possible. Third-party APKs are viable if verified. After installation, grant overlay, accessibility, notification access, and background permissions so the app can display and show live activity. Then open its settings, set position and size to align with your punch hole or notch, and pick animation's intensity. This step ensures the UI integrates smoothly with system gestures and avoids accidental occlusion. Finally, you test and lock in the setup. Trigger calls, timers, and media to confirm live activity appears and reacts correctly. Adjust brightness and size to improve visibility. Make sure to exclude the app from battery optimization so background updates aren't killed, because that preserves real-time notifications. If things fail, reboot the phone, re-grant required permissions, or reinstall the app. And if problems persist, verify OS compatibility. Sometimes a system update changes overlay behavior and needs an app update to match.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.